Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making fish paturi. It's a signature Bengali dish wherein you coat the fish with a thick mustard and coconut paste, then wrap it in banana leaf and fry on low flame. This is how I prefer to make it, and it's just one of the variations even though there are multiple variations out there. So let's start by soaking the mustard seeds and poppy seeds for 15 to 20 minutes. Take 250 grams Bhetki fish, add some salt, rub it well and keep it aside. If the quantity of the fish is more, then please multiply the ingredients. Let's warm some banana leaves over an open flame for 30 seconds. Make sure it does not get burnt. This way the banana leaves will become soft, ensuring that they don't crack when we fold them. Now strain the mustard seeds and put them in a blender jar. Then I'll be adding 1/4 cup chopped coconut. You can use grated coconut as well. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 3 green chillies, squeeze in 1 lemon, salt to taste, add half a teaspoon sugar as well. I forgot to add that, so I'll be adding it later. Now add some water and grind them to a smooth paste and transfer to a bowl. This should be the consistency. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, around 2 tablespoons mustard oil and mix. Our mustard paste is ready, banana leaves are ready. Now it's time to assemble. The banana leaves that I have are quite small, so I have taken 2 banana leaves here and I have kept the glossy side up. Now spread a teaspoon of mustard paste in the center of the banana leaf. Place 1 piece of fish on the paste and put another teaspoon of paste on top. Spread it well. Top it with a green chilli and drizzle some mustard oil. Carefully fold the banana leaves to make a square parcel and tie with cotton thread. Repeat the process for all the fish. Now you can steam these and they will taste equally good, but today I'm going to pan fry them. Heat up a pan, add some mustard oil. Place few of the fish parcels in the pan, cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. You can fry 4 to 5 pieces at a time depending on the size of your pan. Flip them to the other side and cook for another 8 minutes. After serving, discard the thread, open the parcel and enjoy the steaming hot fish paturi with plain rice. Hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe for more such delicious recipes and I'll see you in my next one.